What is up, guys? We're back for episode 2 of Subway Surfers. So I have not got any views or comments yet. So comment what I should play next. I'll do these episodes until you comment which video next. Subscribe and give you some of this video. Tell me if you don't like this once again. And yeah, so I've got this. I think I have enough to buy a freaking mystery box. It's freaking epic, right, guys? Freaking cool, freaking epic. Okay, let's go to Super Mr. as a pickup surprise in the subway. Okay, what do we get here? Kim Kardashian. Yeah, I've seen. You are not good because you just do stuff I can't even tell you. We got stuff in the hoverboard. I have already two. And open a box immediately. I'll do later. I don't know. Should I get 2 boxes? Or should I save up to get a new character? I'll save up to get Frank. Okay, I thought about it. Get the heck out of here. Okay. Let's go. We've got this done top to the scene. As you can see, my last high score was amazing, guys. I don't really know, but I got updated on this. It's getting better. Coming through. Okay. Ooh, an F. Let's get the F and see what word, and it's food. Okay, food. Spell the word food. F-O-O-O-D. Let's spell that. Oh no! Oh, damn. Let's go. Oh, we got 1 Easter egg. Try to collect all. Easter was yesterday, guys. And I have not collected any Easter eggs yet from the Subway Surfers. That is, what a horrible Easter running away from a cop. I mean, the crap. We've got 4 to the boots. Let's get that. Easter. It's past Easter and we get them like freaking so much. This is one thing I really do not get. Boom. Boom, boom, de boom, ba boom. They boom the bass. Okay. Boom, boom. Got that there, got that there. Go. Gotta go down. Sorry, I haven't been posting much of a Gmod, but it's okay. Oh. I hadn't, got it that much before. Oh, run away from that train. How is that train moving if there's like no... How can you run out of train before this? Okay, there's the B that will get us like 500 coins or a prize. To get 500 coins. Oh god. 750? Whoa! Oh my god, I just collected 200 coins in one run. I think I've gotten 300 once. Oh, something else. Oh, the jetpack. No! Oh, we got 2,224. You get the... Whoa! Whoa, what happened? I swear, I did not do that. That run was that cool. No. Sorry I don't have a screen cam. I won't have a screen like cam. What I mean is like the thing that you can see my face. I will not have that. I might later on. You never know. Things can turn out to be different. Boom, 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 bam, 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 bam. Anyways, the head screen kind of blocks your view. I think how the head game works is you record yourself in Skype. I'll just be like, no, just nonsense much. But you can't do that. Yeah, I saw this thing called the thing, and it says get 2. How do you do that? Get stuff. Oh, can't keep from just watching this. Sorry if you guys don't like this. 1 minute long. Oh, it's 32. So guys, this is necessarily a really cool thing. So I hope you enjoy my YouTube session. And comment what my YouTube name looks like, because I really don't know. I think it's Andrew Link or my email. So comment that below. Whenever video I can check all of them in my comments. And give comments, because I need to see what you want me to do next. Then we'll have 10. No, thank you. And let's get those 2 keys. Let's go. It's a beautiful 10 keys. Wasting my money. Okay, let's go. Let's get that frank, guys. No cheating on the mystery boxes, guys. No cheats. I'm a professional gamer on it. Yeah. Get coins. Oh my god, it just gave me 1,000 coins. Okay, oh, beep. Damn, double hop. You should get the move. I got that move. Ow, I hit my head. Wow, grenade. Okay. That's like an epic, beastly, mega net boots. Jigs the skills. Pick up 2 meters, mission complete. Oh, 3 set. Blue caboose. Oh, crap. 5,000 coins. Oh, dude, what's in here? What's that? Oh, come on. Come on, are you serious? Come on, it's gonna ruin the entertainment for you guys. Sorry if this is happening. What's wrong with me? Okay, we've gone through that freaking thing, and okay, we're not gonna get anything from here. We got 8. Then 5, it is 8. No, it's 10. We got the Mavo, Wavo, G-Wo. Okay. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. 16 for the win. Oh, gotta go this way. 16. Oh, we did it! Did I just beat my high score? Or I just make sure high score is a little faster? Did I just beat my high score? Okay. Oh, there's a tree bird! Get whacked, get whacked! Yes, you got whacked! I'm pretty sure I did. Or if you have the ninja skills like me. Ooh, key. It's round 11, guys. We're moving around like a swagger. Okay. No one could beat the masterization. Double the coin and then double it. 16 for the win. Come on, go up fast enough. I freaking didn't snap the freaking button. Woo! I'm gonna get 20,000 and 21,000. Ooh, the mystery! Fuck! Are you serious? That is stupid. Okay, guys, that was today's episode, and see you later.